This is a quick and dirty video about how to fix a broken drawer guide. This particular one is on this old dresser, but it could also be on your kitchen cabinets as well. Herein lies the problem. Let's take a look. The drawer falls open and is not functional. So let's take a look at what's going on. This old guide is broken, had been stapled in, but luckily we have a solution. This is from Lowe's, $2.50, an adjustable drawer guide kit. Let's see how it works. I'm going to remove this old drawer guide. Boy, drawer is not the easiest word to say. Just trying to pry it off, not damage the wood. This dresser was built in the early 1960s. My parents bought it for me when I was about 9 years old. Makes it about 55 years old. Fixing it up and hoping to find it a good home. Maybe some other young person would like to have it. So the guide is off and we're ready to look at the new one. So this seems simple enough after some initial confusion. The two pieces go together. We will measure the size we need and then secure it to the drawer. The supplied screws are a little bit too big, so I'm going to find some shorter screws that can go into this rather shallow drawer depth. So I'm going to measure out and we'll put this together and see if we fixed it. I'm going to look at an unbroken drawer and use that as a guide for the appropriate size. Let's take a look here. Not exactly the same. That looks close enough to me. And then I'm just going to mark my position with a marking pen. And let's start to put this together. These guides are not a perfect match because the old one is flat in the back. So this is going to be angled a little bit. I've done a little pre-drill to get the screws in, just because I'm not sure of the strength of the wood we're going into. And hopefully we'll attach this and hopefully it will work. Let's see how it comes out. There was a bit of time spent searching for ultra short screws that won't go through this apparently about 1/4 inch piece of wood here. It is pushed out a little bit more by this guide. We are well secured now and ready to see if this cheap and easy fix worked. Okay, with a little wiggling and jiggling, we've worked it in. It is not perfect, but for an item that's going to the thrift store, I think it's an adequate fix. It should give good utility to the new owner of this beautiful maple dresser that I've lugged around with me for 55 years. Hopefully the new owner will enjoy it.